If you're wondering about the top 5 violins, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're in the market for a high-quality violin at a discounted price, then the Bunel Premier Violin Clearance Outfit is the perfect choice for you. Don't let the slight cosmetic defect fool you, as it has no impact on the playability or sound of this exceptional instrument. Backed by Kennedy Violins, a trusted name in the industry, this outfit includes everything you need to get started. Along with the violin itself, you'll receive a carbon fiber style shoulder rest, an intro to violin book, a polishing cloth, a set of D'Addario prelude strings, plus an extra set, Giuliani rosin, a Brazil wood bow from Giuliani, and a durable oblong carrying case from Portland. What sets this violin apart is its handcrafted construction using solid maple and spruce tone woods. The 100% genuine ebony fittings and satin oil finish give it an elegant touch. Unlike many other violins on the market, this Bunel violin undergoes final assembly and quality checks in the USA, ensuring excellent craftsmanship and long-term quality. You'll receive an instrument that is ready to be tuned and played right out of the box. Kennedy Violins stands behind their products with a lifetime warranty and a 45-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is their top priority, so if you have any questions or concerns, their dedicated customer service team is always available to assist you. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a top-notch violin at an unbeatable value. Get your Bunel Premier Violin Clearance Outfit today and start creating beautiful music. If you're a violinist or violist looking for a reliable and accurate tuner, look no further than the E&O Music Professional Violin Viola Tuner. With its colorful LCD display, you can easily see the string number and note, with yellow indicating flat and red indicating sharp. This tuner is suitable for violin, viola, cello, and bass with its chromatic tuning mode. The special big clip design allows it to attach securely to the instrument's peg box, staying out of the way while you play. It's also incredibly sensitive, making it easier for both young and adult violinists to use independently. Plus, the tuner comes with 2 XCR 2032 batteries included, so you can start using it right away. The E&O Music Professional Violin Viola Tuner is a must-have accessory for any violin or viola player striving for perfect pitch. If you've been dreaming of playing the violin, the Pyle Beginner Violin Starter Kit is the perfect set to kickstart your musical journey. This full-size 4/4 violin is professionally set up and ready to play, making it ideal for beginners and students. The kit includes a premium hard travel case to protect your instrument and make it easy to transport. The form-fitting shoulder rest ensures comfort while playing. With its plywood body and nice flames veneer, this violin not only sounds great but also looks stunning. The carbon fiber tailpiece, ebonized peg/nut, and metal pull plate add durability and style. Additionally, the package includes a digital tuner for precise tuning, an extra set of strings for replacements, a shoulder rest for added support, and a cleaning cloth to keep your instrument in top condition. But that's not all. As a bonus, you'll receive 2 months of free online lessons to help you get started on the right track. So grab your bow, rosin it up, and let the melodious sounds of the Pyle Beginner Violin Starter Kit fill your world. If you're looking for an affordable entry to mid-level violin that offers high-quality craftsmanship, the Cecilio CVN 600 is the perfect choice. This 4/4 violin features a hand-carved highly flamed one-piece maple back and sides, giving it a stunning appearance. The professional-looking pearl finish with inlaid purfling and hand-rubbed oil finish adds to its elegance. With D'Addario prelude strings, you can expect a rich and resonant tone. The package also includes 2 Brazil wood bows with unbleached genuine Mongolian horsehair, a quality rosin cake, and an adjustable shoulder rest, ensuring that you have everything you need to start playing right away. The Cecilio CVN 600 is beginner-friendly and comes with a lesson book, Cecilio chromatic tuner, and an oblong case with a hydrometer to protect your instrument. Plus, it offers reliable quality with a 1-year warranty against manufacturer's defects. Whether you're a beginner just starting to learn or a more experienced player looking for a reliable instrument, the Cecilio CVN 600 is designed to help you find your musical voice without breaking the bank. If you're a beginner looking to learn the violin, then the Assisted violin is the perfect choice for you. Designed specifically for beginners, this violin is user-friendly and made with high-quality solid wood. The hand-carved spruce panel and solid maple back ensure a good feel and excellent sound. The craftsmanship of this violin is truly exceptional, with hand-inset black thread, a standard laser F-hole, and a maple neck. The kit includes all the essentials you need to get started, such as a set of spare strings, a preferred bow, Assisted violin instructions, a Yamaha custom rosines, a shoulder rest, and a portable hard case. With its high quality and affordable price, the Assisted violin is your best choice for embarking on your musical journey. Davin from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Perfect for student violin." Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 violins. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments, and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.